Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 most valuable keyboard shortcuts. And I bet you don't know 90% of these. Before going to the video, subscribe my channel. It is just a click to you, but a huge support to me. Alright, let's go to the video. Number 1. By pressing the power button and holding the F2 button, you can log into the BIOS program. Number 2. By pressing the Windows key with the full stop key, you can type emojis in your PC. Number 3. By pressing the Windows key with Shift key and S key, you can take a custom screenshot. Number 4. You can record the screen by pressing the Windows key with Alt key and R key. If this doesn't work for you, you have to enable the game bar. I will show you how to open the game bar in the later of this video. Number 5. By pressing the Windows key with the P key, you can open the project panel. I will show you how to use this feature in the later of this video. Number 6. You can split the screen by pressing the Windows key with arrow keys. Number 7. By pressing the Ctrl key with the Shift key and the Escape key, you can open the Task Manager easily. You are still watching this video because it is interesting, right? So press the like button and share this with your friends. Number 8. By pressing the Windows key with the V key, you can copy any text which you previously copied. Number 9. You can open the game bar by pressing the Windows key with the G key. Number 10. To open the Quick Links menu, just press the Windows key with the X key. Number 11. If you want to move to another tab, just press the Alt key with the Tab key. Tap Tab key to move between tabs. Number 12. If you want to type using your voice, press the Windows key with the H key. Number 13. If you want to extend your PC with monitors, do this. If you did not subscribe me yet, do it now. Number 14. By pressing the Windows key with the L key, you can lock your PC immediately. Number 15. By pressing the Windows key with the R key, you can open the Run window to search any program. Number 16. By pressing the Windows key with the E key, you can open the File Explorer easily. Number 17. If you want to see and select every window you opened before, just press the Windows key with the Tab key. Number 18. By pressing the Ctrl key with the U key, you can open the source code of any website. Number 19. If you want to print or save any web page, press the Ctrl key with the P key. Number 20. By pressing the Ctrl key with the J key, you can go to the Download tab easily. What are the shortcut keys you know, but not in this video? Put a comment below, then others can know. Subscribe, like and share.